right, today I'm going to show you how I make my laundry soap and give you my recipe. This is a gallon of water. I use my reverse osmosis water, but you can also use a distilled water, and that's also 16 cups. So I just take 16 cups, put it in a nice pan to put on the stove, heat it up until it just starts to simmer, just at the very beginning of a simmer, so it's not too hot. And then I have some washing soda here. There it is. And I have some baking soda, and those I'm going to give a 1/4 cup of each of those, and then 1/3 cup of this Castle soap. And this one has some tea tree oil in it, and then 15 drops of Palo Santo. So I'm just going to do that. Then I'll show you. I usually containerize it in some kind of old alcohol container. Like I emptied out some old wine out of this gallon jug right here, so I will probably put it in there when I'm done. Sometimes I also use like a Bombay Sapphire gin container, and I have 3 of those that are over there in the laundry. So 1/4 cup of the washing soda, 1/4 cup of the baking soda, I've been using these same ingredients for almost 2 years, and I still have a ton of it left. There's hardly any gone, so this really saves some money on the laundry detergent. All right, 1/3 cup of the Castle soap. And I just put it right in there and kind of rinse it out. That. All right, 15 drops. You can use any kind of essential oil. I am a sucker for the Palo Santo oil. It's like my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A couple extra, and we're going to give it a stir. Yeah, I can tell some of that soda is stuck to the bottom of the pan, so make sure you give it a good whisk. That smells so good. Now, sometimes I let this cool down before I try to put it in the containers, but I just take my measuring cup, my glass measuring cup, dip it in, and then pour it in the top of the container. And then I put a little bit in each load, probably not even a 1/3 cup, probably about less than 1/8 cup when I do a load. And I think I'm going to wait to take it over the kitchen sink so I don't make a mess. All right, that's the laundry soap.